Let's learn how to identify a noun clause in the given complex sentence. We are going to see two examples and the ways of finding noun clause. There are three subordinate clauses: noun clause, adjective clause, adverb clause. In the previous video, we saw how to identify subordinate clause and main clause. Now let's learn how to identify whether it is noun clause or not. Now let's see the first sentence. You can see here the doctor said that he had never treated anyone successfully. Okay, very excellent doctor. The doctor said that. Now you will observe that this word, the word that, is from the list of the keywords that we have seen in the previous video. So naturally, our subordinate clause starts here. Let's see where it ends. That he had never treated anyone successfully. This is subordinate clause. So what is the main clause? The doctor said. The doctor said will be our main clause. And that he had never treated anyone successfully will be a subordinate clause. The doctor said main clause. Now the question is how to be sure that it is not adjective clause, it is not adverb clause, it is a noun clause only. So the first method is to check whether it is noun clause or not. You have to ask what? You have to ask this question. The question is what to the main clause. What do you have to ask? The main clause, you have to ask what. Now we know this is the main clause. The doctor said. So let's see. The doctor said what? The answer should be the subordinate clause. The doctor said what? The answer is that he had never treated anyone successfully. So this is the method. If you want a shortcut, there is a shortcut for that also. And this shortcut is the second sentence that we have seen here. The second way of finding, replace the subordinate clause with it. That means you have to remove the subordinate clause. What I did, I have removed the subordinate clause and you have to write it in place of the noun clause. Full stop. Is it complete meaningful sentence? The doctor said it. Obviously it is meaningful. So the second rule is also applicable, first is also applicable. That means it is definitely a noun clause. These are the only ways, like in mathematics, you do rough work and rough work is not part of your answer. Same thing is true here. These are the two methods of finding out, because if you have seen the previous video, you are able to find out subordinate clause and main clause. Now second step is identifying noun clause. So here also, this is the word what from the list. This word is there, what, from that list. Okay. So let's see what he wanted from his friends. What he wanted from his friends is a subordinate clause. It's still a mystery, is a main clause. Now some students ask me, sir, you say that subordinate clause should be meaningful in itself. Then it's still a mystery. It doesn't sound like a meaningful clause. It sounds abrupt, as if something is missing. In that case, please understand that here the word it, it is understood. So the main clause is it is still a mystery. Now this is your subordinate clause. And what is the main clause? It's still a mystery. This is your main clause. Let's ask what to the main clause. These are the two rules, remember, 1 and 2. The one which is given in red and the one is sky blue. So both you can try to find out. Is a mystery. Ask it what? What is a mystery? Ask what to the main clause. What is a mystery? The answer is what he wanted from his friend is a mystery. What is still a mystery? What he wanted from his friends is still a mystery. So this is right. Let's apply second method. Replace the subordinate clause with it. You have to remove the subordinate clause and write it in place of it. See, it is still a mystery. It is still a mystery. So both are correct. That means it is definitely a noun clause. If you have any question or something is not clear, because classroom teaching is classroom teaching, nothing can replace it. Physical teaching, actual presence in the classroom, that is important actually. But as usual, I'll give you some homework here, and you have to solve one simple question. Send me your answer as soon as possible. You have my WhatsApp number on the screen. Some students have already started sending it. I have checked it and sent them the answer. So just make the work enjoyable. I'll give one small, just one sentence as your homework or for your homework. All, A should be capital. All the boys felt that he was hiding something. Now, this is your homework and this is the number where you have to send your answers. That's all for today. Bye.